It is a beautiful sunny day here in southeast Missouri, and we're about to go do something that a lot of people would think is crazy. That most people would think is crazy. I'll explain more. So why don't you let everybody know how it is that we even came to have
the car? It was in 2020. I was wanting one, but I couldn't afford one. And I found this one. I think I found the car, and I talked to Steve Clark into going with me to get it. And his mint condition, never sat out in the rain, never rained on a car. And it was hammering rain. And we go to somewhere around St. Louis to get it, and end up making a deal with the guy. And he's just going on. He's got a stack of papers of it's this and it's that. And I mean, it was just an orange Challenger, wasn't nothing special. And it was in a collection. He had a super nice shop, heated, cooled, nice floor, the exact kind of place I don't fit in at. Said it was raining. It was a bad rainstorm.
Was Abby with you?
Me and Abby and Steve went, and the guy, he's like, "You guys was taking that home today?" I was like, "You better believe it." And man, we was just ripping burnouts out of the driveway in the rain. And me and Steve got back, and both the cars were filthy. He spent 2 days washing his car. I drove it around for about probably a year and got bored with it pretty quick. And then I sold it to a dude. I think I was looking at something else, or maybe I just needed some money. I don't remember. But I sold it, and I told the guy, I said, "Hey, maybe if you decide to get rid of it later on, hit me up. Maybe I'll be in a spot where I can buy it back if I want it back."
Yeah.
So 2 years goes by, and he put 1,000 miles on it. He doesn't drive it either. And then he hits me up, and we go get it back. And then what did we put on it? Maybe 500 miles.
I know we went to DuQuoin Street Machine Nationals in 2022.
Right. Did we take this there?
No, it was 2023 that we went there.
Oh, there's a sticker right through you.
And then we went on 2 cruises, so we may have put 1,000 miles
Maybe.
on it, if that.
And 3 years. And then we put it in the shop and don't drive it. It's not really fast, so it doesn't count. But
for the past 3 years, which leads us into this. Never gets used, and us having more joy out of older vehicles. Somebody has been looking hard and heavy on Facebook Marketplace for trade, looking for something that would be more suited towards what we do. An older car, we love Dusters, and that's what leads us here today. And most people would think we're absolutely crazy for this, but let's talk about the trade.
well, I don't know if it's a trade yet, but it's a car I found. This dude had some parts for sale on Marketplace, and it caught my attention. So I messaged him, and he sends me some pictures, and in the background I see this pretty good orange 72 Duster. So I started asking him about that, and it wasn't actually for sale. I said, "Hey, I got this other orange car, I'll trade you." And then he says, "Oh, send some pictures." So we go back and forth. He was open to trade. So we're going to bounce up to St. Louis area and see if I can't trade this perfectly fine running, low miles, 6-speed Hemi Challenger for Duster that may probably not even make it home. We didn't bring it.
We're going to see. We didn't bring the trailer. We're just doing this the old-fashioned way. We're going to drive.
Well, it runs, and the guy drives it. But a 3-hour drive and a 27-degree day is probably not ideal. But we'll figure out later if that was a good or a bad idea. And we may not trade. It may not be that good. It may be pretty good, and we may work out a deal.
We're just going to have to see. And guess what? Either way, we're going to bring you along. We're going to let you know how this goes and see this adventure. Either watch us freeze driving back or decide we're going to hang tight for a second.
I know absolutely nothing about this car, except I've seen 6 pictures, and they were blurry as could be. And I don't know if it's got heat. I don't know if any of the lights work. Not much information on it.
But that's part of the fun.
He even said, "I really don't know if it would make it back. You should probably bring a trailer." So I took that as a challenge as well. Let's just see. But the truck and the trailer is hooked together at the yard, so somebody may be getting a call later and saying, "Hey, we're idiots, come get us." Or she's a perfectly fine running car and gets back to accident. Or worst case scenario, we don't make a deal, and we just drive this thing back home, put it back in the shop, and stare at it again. Which that's the least likely. I don't want to come back home in this car, if possible. But we're chugging along with heat, no check engine lights. It works.
Heated seats.
Heated seats. That's basically royalty. And we're chugging along at 80, doing the speed limit at 2,400 RPM. So.
Does it have another gear?
Oh, are you kidding me? It does. 6-speed. What am I thinking? All right, we just dropped down to, oh, what an idiot. 1,680, the speed limit. Probably getting 25 miles a gallon.
I would say probably.
Yeah.
Anywho.
That makes sense. I thought it sounded kind of loud, but it's been months since we've driven this thing, so it's a fancy ride. It's got everything that...
All right, we'll bring you guys along. So we are checking out this beautiful Duster and really looking at trading in this Challenger. Part of what's got us thinking that is, you guys know we love old cars. That's part of the whole premise of what we do, and this thing's sweet. All the things that we're seeing that it needs are things that we would already change. So like the grill has a small little spot in it. We like the shark tooth. There's a couple of things that we would want to change on the inside, like the bench seat. And there's literally nothing wrong with this Challenger, except we don't drive it. We don't do anything with it. So definitely a consideration, definitely something that we're going to toy over, talk about, and decide on. What do you think? Would you do this trade? Would this be something that you would trade that Challenger for this Duster? I don't know. Put it in the comments. Let us know.